Empower the next generation of engineers. The Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and CM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Magandang hapon, Bicolandia, and to all of our viewers across the archipelago. Nandito naman po kami, I am Mark Christian Amante, and with me is our birthday boy for this day, Jasper Abante, at kami po ang Double A na maghatid sa inyo ng intense na aksyon dito sa Bucal Season 6. At matutunghayan natin ngayon, Jasper, yung laban ng UNC Greyhounds kontra dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights in the Juniors Division.
Ayan, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat na nakatutok dito sa ating Facebook Live para sa last game ngayong araw. Ayan, at yun na nga, Mark, Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights and UNC Greyhounds ang magbabakbakan dito sa last game ngayong Saturday. Tutok lamang dito sa ating Facebook Live via Bucal Facebook page and Oragon Sports TV Facebook page. Siyempre, hatid sa inyo yan ng One Media, TV48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga kampiyon. Nako, kailangan nating tutukan masyado itong laban na ito dahil magandang laban ang for sure, Mark. Magandang laban ang ihatid sa atin ng dalawang koponan na ito. Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights, the home. Bahay nila to, di ba? Dito, yes. Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. Ayan, at ang ating guest, UNC Greyhounds. At tutukan natin kung ano yung ipapakita nilang mga performances ngayong hapon.
At makikita din natin ngayon, Jasper, kung ano yung mga strategy at tactics na gamitin netong dalawa nating kampo ng Ateneo at ng UNC para mapasakamay nila ang puntos na madaragdag sa kanila ngayong elimination round.
Ayun na nga, Rick, Mark rather, ayan, abangan natin kung paano sila mag-stick sa kanilang mga kanya-kanyang game plans. And of course, paano nila tatapusin yung laban natin ngayong araw. Dahil kung natatandaan ng ating mga viewers, since sa pagsisimula ng ating bakbakan ngayong Saturday, nako, pasabog na agad. Sinimulan yan ng ng Genesis Roaring Lions and of course ng ating
USI
Falcons. Sumunod siya ng bakbakan ng STI Junior Olympians and of course ang ating undefeated sa first round. We have the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Ayan, ngayon naman, last game, we have the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights and the UNC Greyhounds. And maya-maya lamang ay magsisimula na tayo dito sa ating ball game. Ipinapakilala na po ang first five ng dalawang koponan na ito. Ayan, at tunghayan natin.
And now, Jasper, tutok lang po kayo dyan sa inyong mga TV screens at kung saan man po kayo nanonood. Kung sa bahay man po kayo nanonood, kung sa sasakyan. Kasi you can reach our live stream via our Facebook page at Oragon Sports TV and Bucal Facebook pages. Again, Jasper, happy birthday sa'yo. And now, for sure, nabibigyan tayo ngayon ng Ateneo at ng UNC ng isang magandang laban. And now, we will start our first quarter with a tip-off.
Ayan at match na match itong laban natin. Sa pagtatapos ng ating aksyon ngayong Sabado, match na match, UNC Greyhounds and the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. Titingnan natin kung sino ang makakakuha ng panalo dito sa second round ng Bucal. Ayan, at maraming salamat po sa lahat ng bumati via our Facebook Live sa comment section. We have here Tita Ana Marie. Ayan, happy viewing po. Now, Melano. Let's see. Claro. To jersey number 12. Sarmiento. And the traveling violation agad ang naitawag dito. On the side of the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. Siyempre, Mark, traveling is more fun with Naga yan, travel and tours.
And now, UNC's basketball. Now, hawak ni jersey number 23 ang bola. We have Galano. Pinasa kay jersey number 17, Samurin. Samurin aiming for a point, but medyo nagkaagawan doon ang bola. And now, magbigay.
Now let's hear an update from our courtside reporter Liz all the way from the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. Hi Liz, any updates?
El Clasico, the battle of Knights and Greyhounds. A high-flying afternoon, Bicolandia. We are back again for another game day of the second round of eliminations for Bucal Season 6. A match between the University of Nueva Cáceres Junior Greyhounds and the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. I am Lislina Bala, your courtside correspondent, reporting from the bench of the Blue and Gold Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. Today, the Golden Knights are on the verge to claim their back-to-back victory against the UNC Greyhounds after winning during the first round of eliminations. According to JC Claro, one of the key players of the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights, they plan to win this time by going back to the basics and following the system. They also need to lessen their turnovers and make perfect shots to clinch their first ever win this second round. With that, the question remains, will the Ateneo Junior Gladiators claim their back-to-back victory against the UNC Greyhounds? Stay tuned for the next chapter of this electrifying season unfold only here on One Media, TV48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon. This is Bucal Season 6 for Future Rise.
Thank you so much, Liz, on that update from the side of the blue and gold Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. Ayun na nga, Mark. Titingnan natin kung makukuha ba ng Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights yung back-to-back win on the second round against the UNC Greyhounds. And after the 3 points, napakagandang simula. A very good start on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. We'll see kung ano yung gagawing bawi dito ng ating UNC Greyhounds.
And as of this moment, ball possession ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Medyo nahihirapan yung ating UNC Greyhounds when it comes to their offense para makapuntos dito sa laban because of the defense na ipinapakita nitong ating Ateneo Golden Knights. For that 3-point shot, courtesy of a jersey number 0, that's Alano of the UNC Greyhounds.
Now, Seth Belano on the side of the blue and gold Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. Now, on the corner, jersey number 9, in and out ball. Grabe.
Now, UNC's basketball. Galano holding the ball, passes to jersey number 17, Samorin.
A steal here by jersey number 9 with that spin. Now, a steal here by jersey number 17. Back-to-back steal for this both teams.
Galano holding the ball. Passes to
Jersey number
Samorin.
17.
Samorin for that 2 points, no good.
Now, Belano for the Golden Knights. We'll see. Haba-haba pang ating oras. Now, Pentecostes. A good ball rotation here. Jersey number 14. Fakes for the 3. With 5 seconds to shoot here. Now, Belano pushes to the inside. And the shot clock violation. Pero turnover dito on the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Samorin.
Now, jersey number 0. With that whistle.
Medyo nahirapan talaga dito, Jasper, yung ating Ateneo Golden Knights kasi yung pinapakitang depensa nitong ating UNC Greyhounds sa first quarter pa lang ay grabe. Ayaw na talaga nilang makalamang itong or gusto nilang makahabol dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, UNC's basketball. Samorin. Samorin holding the ball, passes to Galano. Galano communicating. Passes again to Samorin for that 3. No good on that. Now, offensive rebound.
Mid-range jumper, and that's good for jersey number 2 of the UNC Greyhounds.
Now,
Let's see kung anong bawi ang gagawin dito. No good on that 3 points attempt. Now, jersey number 17.
passes. Jersey number 23, Galano. Galano medyo nagmamadali pero gwardyado. Passes to jersey number 24. Passes to Samorin. Samorin, depensa ng Ateneo. But a 24 shot clock violation was
Pero,
given.
Mark, deadlock tayo sa 6 points. 4 minutes and 27 seconds pa ang natitira sa ating first quarter. Napakadikit ng laban natin, Mark, dito sa ating first quarter. Let's see kung ilang puntos pa ang idadagdag dito ng Ateneo de Sta Junior Golden Knights since this is their ball possession. But a steal here by jersey number 23 on the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Now, Galano for that two, no good. Nagagawa ng bola. And the ball possession will go to the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. Ngunit nagpatawag ng timeout ang ating UNC Greyhounds kasi nalock tayo Jasper, sa 6-all on our first quarter with 4 minutes and 2 on our time. Ano kayang gagawin na itong dalawang kampo na to ng Ateneo at ng UNC para mas lalong manaig sa laban na ito ngayong hapon?
Siyempre, Mark, ngayon pasalamatan na muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have our major sponsors, Bigs, Elite Sportswear, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Ngo & Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated, Pocari Sweat, and 3GX ICT Solutions. We also have the Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga, University, NCF Wings, Katie Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Café, Naga and Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Café, NCF Training Pool, and NCF Indoor Firing Range. Bucal Season 6 coverage is powered by Converge FiberX, by Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated, and Ravenous Communications Incorporated. We also have the Aman Engineering Enterprise, Skytech Advertising, owned and managed by Sir Mac Mendoza, Duty Free Philippines, Unibersidad de Sta, Isabel, BMEG, and the Department of Agriculture, Bicol. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta. Now back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game now. UNC's basketball. Alano nakikipagsuong sa Ateneo. Now, medyo nagkakagirian agad dito, no, Jasper? Kasi gusto nilang makuha yung panalo for this afternoon's game. At talatang halatayan sa ginagawang determinasyon at strategy nitong dalawa nating grupo.
Now, let's see. Jersey number 2 to jersey number 9, Pentecostes. No good at attempt by Pentecostes. Now,
UNC's basketball. Now, jersey number 7. Naghahanap ng kakampi for that 2-point shot, no good. Offensive rebound.
Ayun at tawagan na nga dito ng traveling violation. Jersey number 6 of the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. We'll see. 2 minutes and 59 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter.
At hindi pa tayo umuusad, Jasper. So 6 points na meron tayo kanina pa sa 3-minute mark. No good on that. Now, UNC's basketball. Alano passes to jersey number 8. Ganap na kakampi. Communicating. For that 3 points. No good on that.
Now, jersey number 2 on the side of the Golden Knights. Now, on the outside, slowing things down. Deadlock pa rin tayo sa 6 points. Now, jersey number 2 pushes to the inside. No good pa rin. On the side of the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights, natawagan dito ng holding fouls. Jersey number 2 on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights.
Ito Jasper, yung mga inaabangan nating laban na hindi natin ine-expect na ganito yung mangyayari. Now, UNC's basketball, jersey number 7 holding the ball. Pero depensa ng Ateneo ang kanyang sinusuong. Out of bounds now, Ateneo's basketball. Now we have jersey number 6 to inbound.
Now, jersey number 6 to number 2. Now, jersey number 5 on the outside. Transfer the 3. In and out ball pa rin. No good pa rin for the sport of the Steves. Grabe talaga, Mark. Pero ngayon, Mark, dagdagan natin ng 2 puntos ang scoreboard dito ng UNC Greyhounds.
That's courtesy of jersey number 8. Now, Ateneo's basketball. Now, Abiog.
Now, Yap. Yap with that mid-range jumper. No good on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. Now, let's see. The UNC Greyhounds here.
UNC's basketball.
And as we can see, player of the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights is down. Let's see dito sa ating instant replay after that held ball situation.
So we have jersey number 8, Comprado of the UNC Greyhounds, and jersey number 2 of the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights.
Napasama yung bagsak doon ni jersey number 2. That is Kevin Bautista. Now, back to the ball game. Belano fakes for the 3 and a pass here by Tuyap. And a steal here by jersey number 0.
Alano passes to jersey number 7.
Libre!
Wow! What a layup from Lumberio.
4 points lead of the UNC Greyhounds on the 40 minutes remaining of our first quarter. Now, to Belano. Fars for the 3. Long 3, no good.
Now, UNC
defensive rebound.
Comprado holding that ball for the 3. No good on that.
Now with 20 seconds to shoot, shot clock is off in this situation. Now Belano to Yap. Now jersey number 39. Amador. Natawagan dito ng foul. Si jersey number 7 on the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Now, Ateneo's basketball.
Now, jersey number 39. No good on that shot by Amador. And a second chance. No good pa rin on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights.
Now,
So let's see if what's wrong here. And ayun na nga. Diyan na nga, Mark, nagtatapos ang ating first quarter with 10-6 in favor of the UNC Greyhounds. 4 points lead of the UNC Greyhounds. Let's see dito sa ating instant replay. And that's it. As we can see here, jersey number 7 is asking for the ball. Libreng-libre on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Ayun yung nagpalamang sa kanila ng 4. Pero dyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami for the second quarter only here on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We're back dito sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium para sa labang Ateneo Junior Golden Knights at UNC Greyhounds. 6-10 ang iniwan natin sa first quarter, lamang ng 4 na puntos itong ating UNC Greyhounds.
Alright, so we'll see kung ano yung naging adjustments ng dalawang grupo na ito dito sa ating second quarter. Kami pa rin pang inyong makakasama, Jasper Abante and of course, Mark Christian Amante dito sa ating second quarter. Now we'll see kung paano dito nag-adjust itong ating Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights dahil kung napapansin naman natin, medyo malalamig yung kamay nitong ating players. Now let's see if they, kung nag-heat check na ba sila. Since dito sa sequence na ito, 3 points play opportunity for jersey number 0 on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. A good opportunity for them.
That's Alano of the UNC Greyhounds. Now we have Alano on the free throw line. Let's see if madaragdagan ba ang score ng ating UNC Greyhounds. No good on that. But an offensive rebound of Alano. No good.
Back-to-back chances. Back-to-back chances for Alano on the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Kumbaga, ginagawang advantage ngayon ng UNC Greyhounds yung back-to-back na free throws na ibinibigay sa kanila.
Kaya naman ngayon, Mark, mag-shoutout muna tayo dito sa mga nakatutok sa ating Facebook Live via Bucal Facebook page. We have Nicole Zamudio, we have August Portugal, Peter Gadi, Trisha Menes, and Giancarlo Raro from the STI Junior Olympians. Now let's see on that corner shot.
No good. Now Ateneo's basketball. Now jersey number 8. Medyo nahihirapan ang ating Ateneo Junior Golden Knights because of the defense. At naubusan nga ng shot clock itong Ateneo Junior Golden Knights.
We'll see here.
Now we have jersey number 8, Comprado, on to inbound. Jersey number 12 passes to jersey number 7, Numberio. No good on that.
Ayan, at parang may reading report na tayo on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Nandiyan ang ating courtside reporter na si Zai to give us an update. Alright, so hi Zai, take it away.
Good afternoon, Bicolanos, and to our viewers here on One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. This is our courtside correspondent Unibersidad reporting the second quarter tactics from the side of the UNC Greyhounds. As we start this quarter, we can witness the Greyhounds devouring the court and overcoming their fear and trepidation. They're managing the ball well, and they are starting strong as they try to make most of their time. They're planning to set the second quarter strong by holding up and stopping turnovers and staying focused and concentrating on the game. That's all the updates I have for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Zai, for that update sa side ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Talaga namang kitang-kita natin kung paano nagpupursige itong UNC Greyhounds para makamit ang kampyonato ngayong hapon. Now, UNC's basketball for that long two. No good on that. Now, Ateneo's basketball.
Now, jersey number 14, Dubelano. Back to Solomon. Now, Claro, the big man. No good on that attempt. And let's hear an update from our courtside reporter na si Liz on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. Hi Liz, anong update natin dyan?
Jasper and Mark, we are now in the second quarter of the ball game. From the opening tip-off, the Golden Knights established dominance, utilizing a fast-paced transition of offense that left Greyhounds crumbling. However, first quarter ended in favor of the Junior Greyhounds. The Greyhounds have capitalized on defensive lapses of the night, executing fast breaks and finding open shots. Now, the Golden Knights defense needs to tighten up to contain the UNC Greyhounds' offensive plays. That's it for the latest happenings here at the courtside. Back to you, Mark and Jasper.
Thank you so much, Liz, on that update from the side of the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. So we'll see, Mark, kung ano yung adjustments na ginawa nitong ating Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights pagdating sa kanilang depensa, dahil ayun na nga, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang pagpuntos nitong ating UNC Greyhounds with 0 to 9 yung scoring run dito ng ating UNC Greyhounds. No good on that attempts by the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights, dahil itong kanilang score na 6, kanina pa yan na Mark doon sa ating nagdaan na first quarter. So we'll see kung ilang puntos pa yung idadagdag nila dito sa ating second quarter.
And now UNC's basketball, jersey number 2 on that 2-point shot, courtesy of Reyes of the UNC Greyhounds. At napatawag nga dito, Jasper, ng timeout ang ating Ateneo Junior Golden Knights because of that sunod-sunod na puntos na nakukuha nitong ating UNC Greyhounds.
Grabe. 17 points.
At sabi mo nga kanina, Jasper, nang magsimula itong second quarter natin, hindi pa nagagalaw yung 6 points ng Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. Kaya ano kayang magiging strategy dito netong mga players ng Ateneo para medyo makahabol ng pakonti-konti dito sa UNC Greyhounds?
Ayun na nga at 11 na yung score run dito ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Consecutive points. Medyo naka-hold dito. Itong ating Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. Titingnan natin kung ano yung gagawin nilang adjustments dito since ayun na nga tumawag na sila ng timeout. And of course, how do the UNC Greyhounds will take advantage on this timeout para mas paigtingin pa yung kanilang game plan. And as yung nakikita natin ngayon na Mark, the UNC Greyhounds is doing well on their game plan. They are executing it very well. Kaya naman patuloy yung pagloobo ng puntos nila dito or yung kalamangan nila dito.
Now, back to the ball game. Ateneo's basketball.
Now, Seth Belano for the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights now. Jersey number 14. No, good attempt by jersey number 14, pero another chance for the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. With that shot clock violation, ayan, hindi na yan counted. Dahil yun na nga, naubusan sila doon ng shot clock. Now, let's see.
Yan yung dapat iwasan ng Ateneo Junior Golden Knights, yung maubusan sila ng shot clock para makapuntos dito sa laban nila with the UNC Greyhounds. Now, Comprado holding that ball.
What a block there by jersey number 12, a very big man, Sarmiento. Grabe. And that's it!
Good!
Ayun na yung hinihintay nating bawi mark on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights with that 3 points. And courtesy of Solomon on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights, 9-17 na ibaba na nila sa 8 puntos ang kalamangan dito ng ating UNC Greyhounds. 5 minutes and 51 seconds remaining.
And now let's have a fast replay of what happened earlier. Kung paano nakapuntos itong ating Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. That's a great offensive rebound there of the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. Wow. Kaya napatawag itong UNC Greyhounds ng timeout because of that 3-point shot na naidagdag dito sa Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. And now, we're back here on the ball game.
Abangan natin, Mark, kung paano ba yan ipapagpatuloy ng ating Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. Since ayun na nga, Mark, nakapuntos na sila dito sa ating second quarter. After that 4 minutes.
Now, UNC's basketball. Galano may hawak ng bola. Guardiado neto ating Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. Passes to jersey number 17, Samorin. A steal from the Junior Golden Knights.
Now, Solomon passes to jersey number 9 with 3 points. No good, in and out ball. And a defensive rebound here by jersey number 0, Alano, on the side of the Greyhounds.
Now, jersey number 23, Galano communicating with his teammates. Medyo nahihirapan sa depensang taglay netong ating Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. Passes to jersey number 17 for that long 3. No good on that. Offensive rebound. Pero naubusan din itong ating UNC Greyhounds ng shot clock on that sequence.
Let's see. Ball possession of the Junior Golden Knights here. Now, jersey number 8, Belano again to Pentecostes. And a whistle here. Let's see. Natawagan dito ng blocking foul si jersey number 0, Alano rather, on the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Now, Ateneo's basketball. Let's see if makakahabol talaga itong ating Junior Golden Knights for that long three. No good on that. Now, UNC's basketball.
With 4 minutes and 30 seconds remaining dito sa ating second quarter. Now, jersey number 8, Comprado. With
On
that
the
layup using his right hand. Napakagandang layout by Comprado.
We have 99 on our scoreboard. 10-point lead itong ating UNC Greyhounds with 4 minutes and 4 remaining on our time here on the second quarter. Now the ball will still remain dito sa ating Junior Golden Knights.
Now, jersey number 6 inbound, Abiog. Now, with that stop and pop, no good on that attempt by jersey number 14, Solomon.
Now, Samorin holding the ball. Nagmamadali. Passes to jersey number 8. Pero, miscommunication ang nangyari on that end ng UNC Greyhounds. Pero, the ball will still remain on their team.
Ayun at napatawag na nga dito ng timeout ang ating UNC Greyhounds. 9-19, 10 points lead of the UNC Greyhounds. Let's see kung ano-ano yung gagawin ditong adjustments nitong ating UNC Greyhounds after they called that timeout. 3 minutes and 48 seconds remaining dito sa ating second quarter.
Lalo na't paunti-unti na Jasper na humahabol itong Ateneo Golden Knights as of this moment. At gusto nilang makahabol talaga dito sa puntos na meron itong UNC Greyhounds with 19 para makaungo sila sa laban na ito. And now, we are back here on the ball game on our second quarter with 3 minutes and 48 remaining on our clock. Now, what will be the strategy? What will be the tactics? Ano ang gagawin netong Ateneo Junior Golden Knights para makalamang dito sa UNC Greyhounds? At ano naman gagawin netong UNC Greyhounds para maging consistent at mapasa kanila ang panalo ngayong hapon?
Now let's see dito sa natitirang 3 minutes and 48 seconds dito sa ating second quarter. Jersey number 17 to Comprado.
Comprado may hawak ng bola, communicating with his teammates. Passes to jersey number 17, Samorin. Bringing it back.
A shot clock violation on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. A turnover here on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. Let's see kung ilan pang puntos yung ibabawas nila dito sa kalamangan ng ating Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. Now, jersey number 14 to jersey number 6. Now, save of possession.
Gumagawa ngayon ng strategy itong ating UNC Greyhounds para hindi makapuntos itong ating Junior Golden Knights. At this moment now, jersey number 6 for that long 3 points, courtesy of jersey number 12 of the Ateneo de Naga University Junior Golden Knights. That's Sarmiento. Now, UNC's basketball.
Grabe yun, Mark. Magandang bawi. 2 tres na ang bawi dito ng ating Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. Now, tingnan natin kung ilang puntos pa ang idadagdag nila. Now, Sarmiento again. Jersey number 9, Pentecostes with that 3.
That's good!
Back-to-back 3 ang inilalagay dito ng ating Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. Hatid sa atin yan ng Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated. Grabe, Mark.
At naibaba ng Ateneo sa 4 ang kalamangan nitong ating UNC Greyhounds. Kaya medyo makakahabol na itong Junior Golden Knights as of this moment with 2 minutes and 23 on our second quarter. Grabe. Now, UNC's basketball. We have jersey number 17, Samorin to inbound.
Now, Comprado with 8 seconds to shoot here. 24 with that spin. No good on that attempt. Now, jersey number 6 to Pentecostes. Now, fires for the 3. No good this time.
Now, UNC's basketball. Jersey number 17, Samorin. Samorin, depensa ng Ateneo, but 2 points
Ayan.
added to UNC Greyhounds.
Now, Pentecostes fires for the 3 again. No good pa rin this time. 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter. Now, jersey number 17.
Samorin.
With that pull-up jumper. No good this time. Pero may bawi doon. Wala pa rin. Now, for the third chance. Third chance of the Greyhounds. Jersey number 17. No good. Defensive rebound here of the Junior Golden Knights.
Now, Ateneo's basketball. Sarmiento passes to jersey number 6, Abiog. Binalik kay Sarmiento. Binalik ulit kay Abiog for that 3-point shot. Courtesy of Abiog. Jersey number 6 of the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights.
Grabe, Mark.
Grabe.
Back-to-back 3 talaga. Yung ginagawa nitong ating Ateneo Dinag. And a steal here by jersey number 6. Grabe, nagmamadali ang Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights. Now, Abiog to jersey number 5. And a traveling violation ang itinawag dito kay jersey number 5 on the side of the Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights. That is Yap. Joseph Yap. And of course, Mark, traveling is more fun with Nagayon Travel and Tours. Ayan, 41 seconds ang natitira dito sa ating second quarter. We'll see with that 3 points lead of the UNC Greyhounds.
Now,
tingnan natin kung dadagdagan pa yan, Mark.
Jersey number 17, Samorin for that 3. No good on that. Now, Ateneo's basketball. Now, Sarmiento nagmamadali. Passes. No good on that.
Now, 14 seconds to shoot for the Greyhounds here.
Now, jersey number 23, Galano.
6 seconds. And a whistle. Natawagan dito ng pushing foul. Si jersey number 5, Joseph Yap, on the side of the Junior Golden Knights. 4 seconds to shoot here for the UNC Greyhounds.
Now, Samorin to inbound. Passes to jersey number 3, Galano. Galano passes to Samorin again. And that ends Jasper, our first half of this game between Ateneo Junior Golden Knights and UNC Greyhounds. 21-18. Lamang po ng 3 puntos itong ating UNC Greyhounds. We'll be right back for the second half of this game only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Power the next generation of engineers. The Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, vitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Welcome to Unibersidad de Sta, Isabel, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI, we empower our students with knowledge and skills and inspire to make a difference. Begin your journey to excellence in service with us.
Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Challenges. College of Criminal Justice Education.
And we are back here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for the second half. Kami pa rin po ang inyong mga kasama, Jasper Abante and Mark Amante, dito sa ating second half. Grabe, napakababa ng scores natin dito sa ating second half. 18-21 with a 3 points lead of the UNC Greyhounds. We'll see kung sino ang magtutuloy-tuloy or kaninong momentum ang magtutuloy-tuloy dito sa ating second half. And as we can see, Mark, I was amazed in the halftime analysis na binigay sa atin. Itong ating UNC Greyhounds, doon sa 15 attempts nila sa 3 points, ni isa walang pumasok. And 10 naman yung nakapasok dito sa kanilang 2 points attempt out of 24 attempts and isang free throw, kaya nagkaroon sila doon ng 21 points. Pero itong ating Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights, wala silang ginawang 2 points doon sa nagdaan na first half. Lahat ay 3 points out of 20 attempts. 6 na 3 points yung nakapasok on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. Grabe, napakagandang halftime analysis ang ibinigay sa atin.
Now, Jasper, naibaba na nga sa 1 puntos ang kalamangan nitong ating UNC Greyhounds. 21-20 ang ating nasa scoreboard. here on the third quarter ng ating laban. Grabe. Talagang bumabawi itong ating Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. At we are locked to 21 and ngayon hingi tayo ng update mula sa ating courtside reporter from Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. Pero bago tayo pumunta sa ating courtside reporter, now, UNC Greyhounds basketball, jersey number 24, Gorobat. And now, I think na ready na ating courtside reporter on the side of the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. We have Liz. Liz, anong update natin dyan?
Mark and Jasper, as the first half progressed, the Golden Knights continued to assert themselves. Yet despite their efforts, the UNC Junior Greyhounds dominated the first half of the game. According to Coach Gab, they cannot live and die by 3. The Knights need to attack the driving lanes and work on their shot selections. They also need to focus, attack the gaps, and be more aggressive on their defense. With that, you will see if the Junior Golden Knights can bounce back stronger this second half of the game. That's it for the latest happenings here at the courtside. Back to you, Mark and Jasper.
Thank you so much, Liz, on that update. On the side of the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights, tingnan natin, Mark, kung paano sila nag-adjust dito sa ating second half. Dahil hindi pa rin sila nakakalamang dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds. Pero let's see, bilog ang bola. Anybody's ball game at this time. Pero abangan natin kung paano dodoblehin itong ating Ateneo de Naga University Junior Golden Knights yung kanilang effort para sila naman yung lumamang dito sa ating ball game. And on the other hand, we have the UNC Greyhounds. Nandyan rin ang ating courtside reporter na si Zai. So give us an update. Alright, so Zai, take it away.
Mark and Jasper, isa sa mga nahalata ko sa side ng Greyhounds is how supportive and encouraging their coaches and teammates are. Kaya siguro napaka-organized and cooperative ng bawat isa. Hindi nga napapakampante yung Greyhounds regardless of their score advantage earlier. And they are trying to be different from rushing and being fast. So, sabi nga earlier ni Coach na huwag sumimangot tayo lalong papangit ang kanya mga players. Yan ang sabi ni Coach earlier as they start the third quarter and also the most critical quarter of the game. Yan lamang updates dito sa side ng Greyhounds. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Zai, sa update sa side ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Tama nga naman ang sinabi ng coach ng ating UNC Greyhounds na huwag silang sumimangot dahil baka mga apekto ito sa puntos na meron ngayon ng ating UNC Greyhounds. We have 25-21 on our scoreboard. 4 na puntos po ang lamang na itong ating UNC Greyhounds as of this moment.
Now let's see. With that 3-point shot by jersey number 17. Nothing but the net. Napakalinis ng basket ni jersey number 17 on the side of the Greyhounds.
That's Samorin of the UNC Greyhounds. Now,
good on that 3-point attempt by jersey number 14.
Medyo umaabante na tayo ngayon, Jasper, on our third quarter. Now, jersey number 7 passes to jersey number 17, Samorin. No good on that. Now, offensive rebound, no good.
Now, let's see. Belano to Sarmiento. Now, on the outside. Goes to the inside with that block. Block by jersey number 2 on the side of the UNC Greyhound. 2 free throws ang igagawa dito kay jersey number 9 on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. Ayan, as we can see, the iconic taas kamay Ateneo. No good on that first attempt.
No good. Now let's see kung papasok ba itong last free throw shot ni Pentecostes of the Ateneo Golden Knights. And that's good. Adding 1 point on their team.
And a couple of substitutions here.
Now UNC's basketball. At kitang-kita mo, rinig natin dito, Jasper, ang suporta ng UNC at ng Ateneo community. Kaya shoutout tayo sa ating mga viewers. Hello po kay Milka Wayhan Ramirez, kay Dave Malto, kay Chris Ivan Pilyogo, Trisha Menes, and Dave Malto. Maraming salamat po for tuning in here in Bucal Season 6.
Now, let's see Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights basketball here. On that corner, no good on that 3 points attempt. A second chance, pero a steal here. A steal by jersey number 2, nagmamadali. No good on that attempt, pero may second chance sila dito, Mark. Mid-range jumper, no good pa rin. And defensive rebound here of the Junior Golden Knights. We'll see Belano with that pass to jersey number 14. And the whistle. The same ball possession for the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights with that foul by jersey number 2 on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. We'll see. Dito sa natitirang 4 minutes and 40 seconds ng ating third quarter.
Medyo, Jasper, nakakapanibago itong laro nitong Ateneo at UNC because as of this moment, nasa 28 points pa lang itong ating UNC Greyhounds. Nang akala natin, we expect na more points ang maibibigay nitong dalawang kuponan na ito. Pero kitang-kita naman, reflected sa points na yan, yung kagandahan ng depensa at opensa ng dalawang grupo ngayong hapon. Now, UNC's basketball.
Nahihirapan dito. Double team ang ating UNC Greyhounds by Belano and jersey number 28 of the Junior Golden Knights, rather. So let's see. Jersey number 17.
Samorin passes.
Jersey number 23 with that long 3 and that's go!
Wow! Courtesy of Galano of the UNC Greyhounds. Grabe!
Hatid sa atin yan ang KD Sportswear Apparel, the best jersey maker here in Naga City. Congratulations! 3 points, that's good for the UNC Greyhounds. Patuloy ang paglobo ng kanilang kalamangan dito. Now let's see this time. No good at 3 points attempt by jersey number 14 now.
Samoreno.
23 again. No good this time.
Offensive rebound. A steal from the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights.
Now, Claro, jersey number 13 with that shot, layup.
Now, UNC's basketball. Galano passes to Samorin. Samorin. Nagkaroon ng miscommunication on that end. Si Samorin at si Alano.
Same ball possession on the side of the UNC Greyhounds with jersey number 7 to inbound.
Lumberio pumasok. Passes to jersey number 23. Binalik kay Lumberio. Now, Lumberio.
What a pass!
Wow!
What a pass by jersey number 7 to jersey number 2 with that easy basket.
Yung communication na ginawa ni ni Lumberio at ni Reyes kanina ng UNC Greyhounds, talagang kitang-kita mo na they want to aim for a point there. Now, Ateneo's basketball. For that 3, no good on that. Alano carrying the ball, passes to jersey number 23. Passes to Lumberio. Lumberio for that 3 points. No good.
24 to 33 ang ating score dito. Pero 2 free throws ang igagawa dito kay jersey number 2 on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. A good chance, good opportunity on the side of the UNC Greyhounds to continue raise their lead here. 24 to 33, 9 points lead. Tingnan natin, a chance to raise their lead here to 11 points. Napakagandang momentum ang ipinapakita sa atin itong ating UNC Greyhounds dito sa ating third quarter with 2 minutes and 21 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Now, last free throw for jersey number 2. No good on that second attempt.
Now, Ateneo's basketball.
A steal here by jersey number 23.
No good.
Coming short on that. Ayan at magkakaroon din dito ng 2 free throws. Pero napatawag muna dyan ng timeout ang side ng ating Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. Will see kung ano yung adjustments na gagawin nila dito, Mark, since patuloy ang paglamang nitong ating UNC Greyhounds.
At patuloy nga na lumolobo itong puntos na meron itong UNC Greyhounds, 33-24 on our scoreboard with 2 minutes and 12. Kanina nga sabi ko na hindi natin inaasahan na ganito pa yung puntos na meron tayo on the third quarter. Kasi we end the second quarter with almost less than 25 points. And nagsimula tayo ng third quarter, nag-continue tayo ng third quarter na medyo umuusbong na itong mga puntos na itong dalawang kuponan. And makikita natin, and we will see kung ano ba ang pwedeng gawin nitong Ateneo Junior Golden Knights at UNC Greyhounds para mas lalong lumobo, mas lalong lumamang, mas lalong dumagdag ang mga puntos nila sa larong ito. Now, back to the ball game. Bukas po, abangan po ninyo ang mas bakbakan at mas aksyon na laro dito sa Bucal Season 6 only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Now, Ateneo's basketball.
Jersey number 2, nagdadala ng bola on the side of the Junior Golden Knights. Now, let's see. Jersey number 9, Pentecostes. Now, rebound. Jersey number 23, no good. Now to 23 of the UNC Greyhounds.
Galano naghanap ng kakampi. Passes to Lumberio. Passes to jersey number 12. Binalik kay Lumberio for that 3 points. That's good! Ang ganda ng style ng 3 points ni Lumberio sa moment na yon.
Lumberio uses that glass to finish that 3-point shot. And natawagan dito ng foul si jersey number 23. 2 shots for jersey number 2 of the Junior Golden Knights. Penalty situation na po tayo sa side ng UNC Greyhounds with 1 minute and 23 seconds dito sa ating third quarter. 24-36, 12 points lead of the UNC Greyhounds. Titingnan natin kung babawasan niya ni jersey number 2. The iconic taas kamay again. No good this time. Pero offensive rebound. Now on the corner.
Ngayon mapupunta Jasper sa UNC Greyhounds ang bola. Kailangan na mag-ingat nitong UNC Greyhounds as of this moment because they are in the penalty situation. Now jersey number 7 Lumberio. Passes to jersey number 23 Galano. Galano naghahanap ng kakampi. Sinusung ang depensa ng Ateneo. The ball will still remain on the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Now, Galano to inbound.
Ito, passes to Lumberio. Lumberio, sinuong. Passes agad to jersey number 23, Galano.
Ayun at natawagan dito ng offensive foul si jersey number 18 on the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Kaya mapupunta ngayon Jasper ang bola sa side ng Junior Golden Knights. We have 51.92 seconds remaining on our third quarter. 36-24 na po ang ating nasa talaan. Now we have jersey number 8. Passes to Sarmiento. Sarmiento.
Now on the outside, Pentecostes.
Wow!
That lead basket. Napakagandang tres ay Pentecostes. Atid sa atin yan ng Duty Free Philippines. Grabe.
Humahabol na itong Junior Golden Knights sa laban natin ngayong hapon, Jasper. 36-27 ang ating nasa talaan. Grabe, with 25.43 seconds remaining. Now, jersey number 8, Comprado to inbound. Passes to jersey number 7, Lumberio. Lumberio, susuungin ang depensa. No good on that.
Now, 15 seconds to shoot for the Junior Golden Knights. Belano. Now, jersey number 2 to Belano again. Pentecostes with 5 seconds to shoot here. Now, a steal by the UNC Greyhounds. And that's the end of our third quarter. 27-36. 9 points lead of the UNC Greyhounds. Grabe, napakababa ng scoring natin dito sa laban ng Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights and the UNC Greyhounds. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami for the fourth and last quarter only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And now we're back here at Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium para sa labang Ateneo Junior Golden Knights at UNC Junior Greyhounds. We are on the fourth and crucial quarter of this game. 36-27, 11-point lead ang hawak neto ating UNC Greyhounds.
Ayan Mark, dito na natin malalaman kung sino ang mag-uwi ng panalo dito sa second round eliminations ng ating Bucal Season 6. 27-36. Tingnan natin, napakababa ng scoring natin, Mark. Tingnan natin kung sino ang mag-uwi ng panalo dito. Now,
at unang minuto pa lang ng fourth quarter ay natawagan na ang bawat team ng foul as of this moment. Grabe yung kumpiyansa at determinasyon nitong dalawang kuponan na ito para maipanalo ang larong ito.
Now, no good on that second attempt by the Greyhounds. No, Belano. Belano nagdadala ng bola for the Junior Golden Knights. And natawagan dito. Ayan at
as of this moment, titignan ng ating medic ang isa sa mga players ng UNC Greyhounds. That's jersey number 2, Reyes. Now, UNC Greyhounds basketball.
Ayan, may pagdugo pala doon, partner. Kaya pinagilid mo na yung player. Pero this time, 2 points ang idadagdag natin on the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
At now, Ateneo's basketball. At para makahingi tayo, Jasper, ng update mula sa side ng UNC Greyhounds, we have our courtside reporter, Zai. Zai, what's the update there? At babalikan natin si Zay mamaya-maya lamang. Now.
Ayan, this time, Mark, ready na ang ating courtside reporter na si Zay on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Zay, take it away. Ayan, mamaya na.
Babalikan natin. Babalikan natin si Zay mamaya-maya, Jasper. And now, we're back to the ball game.
Pull-up jumper by jersey number 12, Sarmiento. That's good for the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights.
Now, UNC's basketball. Jersey number 24, Gorobat. Passes to jersey number 7, Lumberio. Medyo nagiging intense na itong laban netong Ateneo at UNC sa mga oras na ito. At sunod-sunod na nga, Jasper, yung mga fouls na nakakamit nitong Ateneo at UNC Greyhounds as of this moment. UNC's basketball. And now, para makahingi tayo, partner Jasper, ng update mula sa side ng ating UNC Greyhounds, we have our courtside reporter, Zay. Zay, what's the update there?
Mark and Jasper, here we are at the last quarter of the game. This quarter will be the judge kung sino ang didiretso sa ating quarterfinals. And again, the Greyhounds are doing even better than before, manipulating the game inside the hardcourt through skills and tactics. It seems like everything is going according to plan. So stick around and witness who will be able to win today's round. That's all the updates I have for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Zay, on that update from the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Ayun na nga, Mark, at malalaman na natin dito sa quarter na ito kung sino ang mag-uuwi ng panalo dito sa second round of eliminations natin dito sa Bucal Season 6. 9 points lead of the UNC Greyhounds. Tingnan natin kung magtutuloy-tuloy yan dahil mahaba pa ang oras na natitira. And on the other side, we have the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. Let's hear our report from our courtside reporter. Liz, anong update natin dyan?
Bicolandia, we are now on the last quarter of the game. During the third quarter, the Ateneo Golden Knights had a difficulty finding their rhythm. With that, they need to regroup and address their offensive and defensive shortcomings to turn the tide against the UNC Junior Greyhounds. Now that we are on the most crucial part of the game, the Junior Golden Knights need to execute their best offensive and defensive strategies and perform an A-game this time to clinch their back-to-back win against the UNC Greyhounds. This is Leslie Navala, your courtside correspondent, reporting from the bench of the Blue and Gold Ateneo Junior Golden Knights.
Thank you so much, Liz, for that update sa side ng ating Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. They need to double their time, execute kung ano ang mas nararapat ngayong fourth and final quarter ng laban na ito kasi medyo nakakalamang-lamang ulit itong ating UNC Greyhounds pero bumababa naman ang kalamangan nila with 7-point lead rather here on our fourth quarter.
Now let's see, full possession of the Golden Knights here.
Now UNC, jersey number 7, Lumberio, passes to Alano.
Medyo nahihirapan na dito itong Greyhounds. Mahigpit na ang defense ang pinapakita dito ng ating Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights.
Medyo nahihirapan na talaga, Jasper, na pumuntos itong UNC Greyhounds as of this moment.
Natawagan dito ng blocking foul. Si jersey number 15, JC Claro, on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. That basket is not counted, pero same ball possession pa rin for the UNC Greyhounds. Now let's see, jersey number 0, Alano. Now,
Alano.
Heavily guarded here by Belano. Now, jersey number 24.
Robat, passes agad to Alano. Alano for the 3, no good on that. And the ball will still remain sa side ng ating UNC Greyhounds.
Ayan. Natawagan dito ng pushing foul si Seth Belano on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. This is warning na for the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights for penalty situation. While ito namang ating UNC Greyhounds on penalty situation na tayo. What a 3 points by jersey number 17.
That's
on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Napakalinis.
Oo. Napakasilinis ng 3-point shot na yun ni Samorin. But on the other side, ang Ateneo, hindi naman papadaig. A steal from our UNC Greyhounds.
Now jersey number 7. Alano. Now Alano, nagmamadali, hindi na pinalampas ni Alano yung chance na yon. Puts up that 2 points.
At Jasper, meron pa tayong natitirang 5 minutes and 56. Pero itong dalawang kupunan natin ngayong gabi ay nasa penalty situation na.
Now a steal and a whistle. Ayan, natawagan dito ng foul si Seth Belano on the side of the Ateneo de Naga. Junior Golden Knights magkakaroon dito ng 2 free throws. Si jersey number 17 on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Patuloy pong lumalamang itong ating UNC Greyhounds dito sa ating 4th and last quarter with that 12 points lead dito sa ating 5 minutes and 47 seconds remaining.
Now we have jersey number 17, Samorin, on the free throw line. Now, let's see. Kung makakadagdag pa ito sa puntos. No good on that. Out of bounds. And the ball will still remain dito sa kuponan ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Now, jersey number 7, Lumberio on to inbound. Jersey number 24 for 2 points. No good on that. Turnover tayo ngayon. Pupunta na ngayon ang bola dito sa ating Ateneo Junior Golden Knights.
Now, jersey number 2. Now, 14. No good on that 3 points attempt, pero may bawi doon. No good on that second chance.
Now still, dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds. Jersey number 17, Samorin. Samorin nagmamadali. Pero hindi nila maiwasan yung depensa nitong Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. Sarmiento, traveling violation. And traveling is more fun with Naga yung travel and tours. Now, UNC's basketball. We have jersey number 17, Samorin to inbound. Passes to jersey number 7. Bring it back to jersey number 17, Samorin. Samorin, medyo nahihirapan na talaga ngayon, Jasper, yung ating UNC Greyhounds dahil sa ipinapakitang depensa nitong ating Ateneo Junior Golden Knights.
Now, jersey number 12, Sarmiento on the corner with that loose ball. Grabe. Very crucial error on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights dahil napakalaki ng kalamangan dito ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Ayan, medyo mahihirapan ditong humabol itong ating Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights dahil nakikita naman natin na mahigpit rather yung depensa nitong ating UNC Greyhounds, pero anybody's ball game pa rin, Mark, dito sa ating 4 minutes and 34 seconds remaining ng ating 4th and last quarter with that 13 points lead of the UNC Greyhounds. Abangan natin, Mark, kung ano yung adjustments na gagawin dito ng Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights after that timeout. And of course, paano din mag-take advantage itong ating UNC Greyhounds dito sa ating 4 minutes and 34 seconds remaining ng ating 4th and last quarter.
And bago yan, Jasper, pasalamatan natin ating mga sponsors: Aman Engineering Enterprise, Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, Skytech Advertising, owned and managed by Mac Mendoza, Duty Free Philippines, shop at dutyfreephilippines.com.ph, Unibersidad de Sta Isabel, BMEG, alagang BMEG, alagang number 1, Department of Agriculture, Bucal, and special thanks to our sponsors, Wow Worlds of Water, NCF TRC and NCF IMC, and Digital Graphics, and to our Bucal sponsors, Bigs, Elite Sportswear and Uniform, HJP Pawn Shop, Happiness, Ngo and Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated, Pocari Sweat, and 3GX ICT Solutions. Thank you so much. And huwag niyo din po kakalimutan na i-like and follow ang Facebook pages ng Oragon Sports TV, One Media TV 48 Naga at Bucal dito sa Facebook. At don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button sa YouTube channel ng One Media TV 48 Naga para updated kayo sa mga latest happenings dito sa Bucal Season 6.
Now back to the ball game. Same ball possession on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. 4 minutes and 14 seconds remaining.
Alam mo, Jasper, isa sa mga observations ko sa score ngayon ng UNC at ng Ateneo, hindi sila nagkakalayo, Kung meron lang mga pagitan, like now, na meron silang 13-point lead. Pero mamaya-maya, may kita natin, nabababa na naman yan, yung score ng kalamangan nitong ating UNC Greyhounds. Dahil yan sa ginagawang puntos nitong ating Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. And now, Junior Golden Knights ball. Grabe, they want to aim a point here. Nagagawa ng bola. Nagagawa ng bola ang isa sa player ng UNC at isa din sa player ng ating Ateneo Junior Golden Knights.
Ayan at ball possession dito ng UNC Greyhounds. A good chance, good opportunity for them. Let's see dito sa ating instant replay.
Kung ano bang nangyari.
After that, jersey number 2 pushes to the inside with that offensive rebound. And ayun na nga, same ball possession.
Wow, that's a block from the UNC Greyhounds. But an offensive rebound sa side ng ating Junior Greyhounds. Junior Golden Knights rather. Medyo nahirapan na talaga, Jasper, itong dalawang koponan na magkaroon ng puntos dito sa laban na ito. We have 3 minutes and 32 remaining. 31-44 po ang ating nasa scoreboard. 13-point lead ang hawak na itong ating UNC Greyhounds. Now we have jersey number 2 from the Junior Golden Knights. That's Bautista. Now UNC's basketball. Alano, sinusungang depensa ng Ateneo. Pass it to jersey number 17, but no good. Now Ateneo's basketball, no good on that. Back-to-back steal ang nangyayari dito sa dalawang koponan natin.
Wow! What a spin by jersey number 0, Alano, finishing that layup. Grabe! 2 minutes and 43 seconds remaining sa ating fourth and last quarter. Let's see.
Now, Sarmiento passes to jersey number 23 on that 2-point shot. Wow!
Pull-out jumper. That's good.
Now, UNC's basketball, jersey number 7.
Same ball possession for the UNC Greyhounds.
At para lang, Jasper, sa kaalaman ng ating audience, ang UNC po ay wala pang panalo according to our team standing. At meron silang 6 na losses. And on the other hand, ang ating Ateneo Junior Golden Knights, merong 2 panalo at 4 na losses. Kaya we will see kung ito ba ang unang panalo nitong ating UNC Greyhounds or madaragdagan ng panalo itong ating Ateneo Junior Golden Knights.
Now, ball possession of the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights here. Now, no good that attempt by Sarmiento. A steal here, defensive rebound rather. Now, jersey number 17 to Galano rather. Now, Galano to Alano. Alano to Galano to Alano. And, oh! That's a goaltending Ayan at counted yon 2 points on the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Kasi pumasok na siya Jasper sa basket
Sinundot lang dun sa ilalim partner.
lang.
Now, let's see. 1 minute and 57 seconds remaining dito sa ating fourth and last quarter. Jersey number 2. Now, jersey number 14 on the outside. And a steal here.
Grabe yung pinapakitang lakas ng dalawang grupo ngayon. Grabe.
Natawagan doon ng pushing foul si jersey number 39. Napakagandang laban. I think this is the very low score dito sa ating season 6.
Now let's have an instant replay of what happened earlier.
Ayan.
Nung sinundot netong
palabas ni jersey number 39 yung bola. Pero counted yun, partner.
As a basket sa side ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Now we have jersey number 2, Reyes on the free throw line.
13 points lead of the UNC Greyhounds here.
Ang tanong ng taong bayan ngayon, Jasper, makakahabol ba ito ating Junior Golden Knights sa kalamangan nitong ating UNC Greyhounds?
Anybody's ballgame pa rin tayo dito, Mark, dahil mahaba-haba pa ang oras. 1 minute and 43 seconds pa dito sa ating fourth and last quarter. Now, Mark, yung score natin ngayon, kadalasan sa ibang game or sa ibang teams na naglalaban-laban, score lang ito sa first half. Kadalasan. Pero ngayon, fourth quarter na tayo, pero ganito pa rin kababa ang mga puntos nitong dalawang teams na ito. Grabe, napakagandang laban indeed.
Siguro dahil na din sa magandang depensa at opensa at strategy na pinapakita nitong dalawang koponan, kaya medyo mababa ang puntos ng dalawang teams ngayong gabi. And that adds 2 points on the UNC Greyhounds courtesy of jersey number 24, Gorobat. At nagpatawag na ng timeout ang side ng ating Junior Golden Knights kasi medyo umaabante na ng paunti-unti itong ating UNC Greyhounds.
Grabe, Mark. 1 minute and 8 seconds na lamang ang natitira.
At kung mapapansin natin, pareho na sila, yung Ateneo at ng UNC, nasa penalty situation na.
Yes, Mark. Kanina pa, before the midway approaches, nasa penalty situation na tayo. And 51-35, 16 points lead of the UNC Greyhounds dito sa 1 minute and 8 seconds remaining. Now, let's see dito sa ating replay. Jersey number 24 with that spin and shot. 2 points ang idadagdag natin on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Napakagandang momentum ang ipinakita sa atin ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Nakita na natin yung bounce back stronger on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Let's see kung makukuha nila ang unang panalo dito sa ating Bucal Season 6 kontra dito sa ating Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights. No wins on the first round and probably the first win on this second round elimination dito sa ating Bucal Season 6. Abangan natin, Mark.
Let's see. At kung ito din ba ay makakadagdag sa puntos na meron ngayon ang Ateneo Junior Golden Knights with 2 wins dito sa elimination round ng Season 6 ng Bucal. Now, back to the ball game. Now, Ateneo. No good on that. Jersey number 23 for that offensive rebound. No good. Now, Alano holding the ball. Passes to jersey number 23. Bring it back to Alano with 51 seconds remaining.
Galano now this time with a 3-point shot. No good. And defensive rebound here by jersey number 9. Now, Belano on the side of the Junior Golden Knights here with 33 seconds on the game clock. And
good.
That's not counted. Dahil tumama muna dun sa taas ng ating board bago siya pumasok dun sa basket.
Now, UNC's basketball. Jersey number 23, Galano. Passes to jersey number 24. Binalik kay Galano. Passes to jersey number 17.
24 again. With that offensive foul by Galano. Turnover on the side of the blue and gold, Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights.
At meron na tayo, Jasper, na titirang 10 seconds here on our fourth quarter.
Grabe.
At alam kong tuwa-tuwa ngayon ang UNC community with their first win here in Bucal, Season 6, 51-35. That will be our final score dito sa labang Ateneo versus UNC.
Napakagandang laban, Mark. Akalain mo yung score natin. Nagtapos yung laban, Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights and the UNC Greyhounds. 35-51 na kadalasan. Puntos lamang yan sa first half. Pero congratulations for getting their first win, UNC Greyhounds, dito sa ating Bucal Season 6. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami para makilala natin kung sino ang best player of the game. Hatid sa atin yan ng Orago Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Leap into the limitless possibilities at the Naga College Foundation Incorporated College of Computer Studies, where your journey to becoming a tech visionary begins. We provide cutting-edge curriculum and state-of-the-art facilities to create an ideal setting for hands-on learning and innovation. We offer 4 programs where you will develop your critical thinking and problem-solving, equipped with technical skills in fostering professional growth. Your future in tech starts here. Choose NCF College of Computer Studies.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger.
towards your dream community. Stay accessible. Invest in a high-value property at the Palm Village located at Zone 2, San Felipe, Naga City, 6 San Felipe, Naga City, or call 0929-608-3744 and 054-884-5188 to make corporation for more details.
The winner of the fifth game, University of Nueva Cáceres. We just witnessed who's hungry, and the Greyhounds are ready for redemption as they initiated a full-on ravage widespread sa loob ng court. But nevertheless, para sa ating best player of the game, which is brought to you by the Tigers Café 3 located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City. Let's welcome our best player of the game, Kenshin Alano, with 15 points, 13 rebounds, 5 steals, and 3 blocks. Kenshin, halika na dito. Our best player and defensive player of the game. So what was your mindset going on today's game, and how did you manage to prepare for it?
Just, tingin lang sa look shoot, and look pass. Yun lang. At pakinig kay coach.
May certain situation ba, or was there a particular momentum in the game where you felt the momentum change in your favor?
Yes, yung mga tira ko sa labas na di pumapasok na nung second quarter.
Okay, so may gusto ko bang pasalamatan your friends, your family, your coaches, or your teammates?
Salamat po sa mga kay coach, sa teammates, at kay God, kay Papa po na supportive lagi sa laro namin. Laging andyan.
Okay, so maraming salamat sa iyo.
Si Mama po pala, tsaka yung kapatid ko.
Okay, is that all? Okay.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Kenshin Alano, and good luck and congratulations to you. There you have it, our best player of the game, Kenshin Alano from the University of Nueva Cáceres Greyhounds. This is Shulamar Zaimeniano, your courtside correspondent here on One Media TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Nakilala na nga natin ang ating best player of the game from the University of Nueva Cáceres Greyhounds, none other than jersey number 0, Kenshin Alano with 15 points, 13 rebounds, 5 steal, and 3 blocks. Atin sa atin yan ng ating courtside reporter na si Zai, and of course, Tigers Café 3 located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City. Maraming salamat po. Mark, indeed, napakagandang pagtatapos ng ating Saturday action. Tutok lamang for more actions tomorrow. I am Jasper Abante.
And I am Mark Christian Amante. Tutok lamang dito sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.